JDCap26 here, just do tips from Peers and Hobbies, and we're in Pixamator Pro, which I had to buy because Pixamator gave me a response that didn't give me the answer to my question, and I thought it was a problem with a software issue, and it was not. So what it is if your pointer, see your pointer here? If it's too big, okay, it's going to make the magnifying glass to the eyedropper big. So I clicked on that, and see now it's normal. And if I even made it smaller, that circle would be even smaller. Well, since I had my eyedropper big, my mouse pointer big, it follows the size of the mouse pointer. So what you have to do is you got to go down into System Preferences and go to Display, and you move the slider. I had it way over here to make a big pointer. I like a big pointer. It makes things easier for me, but I had to slide it all the way down. If I slide it even smaller, that circle is going to get even smaller when I click on the eyedropper. Okay, so now the eyedropper, click on the eyedropper, see the eyedropper is even smaller. And that's a workable thing you can use. You know, that I like if I have to color in or shade in a face or something like that. Yes, I do graphics, things like this, and I've done it since 1998 as far as pictures and things like that, and coloring and editing. So I'm going to link the other video, the first one, to this one, and now you know how to fix the eyedropper. That thing right there, the size, you have to make it the size of the pointer by going into Display and the pointer size to normal or even smaller. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in a big way, and I hope you have a pleasant day. Please come back and see my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.